In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use index match function in Microsoft Excel. The index and match functions are often used together to perform flexible lookups in Excel. Unlike VLOOKUP, which has some limitations, index and match can return values from either the left or the right side of your lookup column. That makes this combination especially useful when your table layout doesn't fit the structure that VLOOKUP expects. To begin, create your data table and also set up a lookup area. In this example, the table contains student information, and the lookup area will be where you type or reference the student ID you want to search for. Keeping these two areas clearly organized makes the formulas easier to read and troubleshoot. Next, we're going to find the student name, but on the ID entered in the lookup area. Click cell F2. This is where the result for the student name will appear. Now type this formula exactly as shown. Equals index, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6 comma match. Open parenthesis, F1 comma A2 colon A6 comma 0 close parenthesis. Here's what this formula is doing. The match part looks at the value in cell F1 and searches for it in the range A2 to A6. The 0 tells Excel to look for an exact match, which is important when you're working with IDs or specific values. Once match finds the correct position, the index function uses that position to return the corresponding value from the range B2 to B6, which in this case is the student name. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel should now display the correct student name in cell F2. Next, let's find the grade for that same student. Click cell F3. In this cell, type the following formula, equals index, open parenthesis, C2 colon 6 comma match. Open parenthesis, F1 comma A2 colon X comma 0 close parenthesis. This formula works the same way as the previous one. Match still finds the row based on the value in F1, but now index returns a value from column C instead of column B. That means instead of the student name, Excel will return the student's grade. Press enter and the grade should appear in cell F3. This is a great example for practicing index and match because it clearly shows how the two functions work together to retrieve related information from different columns using a single lookup value. Once you understand this pattern, you can easily adapt it to many other Excel tasks where you need more flexible lookups.